G'day guys. Today, back at the gym. Today's Sunday, first Sunday of December. And we're gonna be doing another week video. Week of the off season. So, let's get right into it. Today, I don't feel like doing it. Jokes. Today, doing some agility work because it's been a long time since I've done anything for my ankles or lower limbs. Okay, sounds good. Got ourselves some power aid and water. We'll start off with this. See how we go? Sound good? Okay. Fan is on now, so I'm gonna have to start talking a bit louder. Cheers. Okay. Alright, just gonna be doing a bit of drilling, like just a few more sets of running tech. I'll catch you when I start doing something else a bit more interesting. Just a little bit of battery preservation. Okay, I'll be back. Man, I'm sore from the warm-up. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. So today is about agility, and with that we want to be able to work on our acceleration and deceleration because it's important. So just using this space here, I'm going to be doing a few side to side things for my ankle, calf ankle, and then I'm gonna be doing a few things to help me when I'm carrying the ball. Whoa. Oh. That one was a bit better. Okay, that's enough primers. Moving on. Here's another scenario. That's the sideline this time. If I'm kick chase, rushing up, opponent catches the ball, fullback, let's say it's the fullback, he's either going to run around me or past it. This is the sideline. Chasing, he picks it up, I stop, I'm tracking. I want my body, I think for some variations, I'm gonna actually have my body facing inwards. So that's the sideline, inwards. That way, it's kind of manipulating him to wanna throw me off, going on my outside shoulder, where he thinks he can beat me because I'll have to turn and he'll be too quick. But if I can come up, cut off his space on the inside here and expect him to go towards the sideline, then that's a better situation for our team. He's running towards the sideline, away from his support players, and then we can probably take him out. See, if he decides to go that way, I'll already be turned to keep tracking, but that doesn't mean I shouldn't be ready to bounce out again or whatever needs to be done. Now, the only reason why I'm doing this kind of drill seems a bit unnecessary if you're talking about mechanics for athleticism. This is pretty much just a drill I'm making up so I can visualize the game still. It's off season and I'm not gonna see a game situation until next year. So why not bring the imagination to the gym or to the field when we're training? I don't want to be backpedaling for no reason though, because I still need to make the tackle. Once he starts getting momentum and his support players come through, say I could go for the tackle, but then if I were to miss that tackle and the support players are there, they've got all the momentum and then my teammates will be outnumbered. So the purpose is to stay alive for this scenario. All right. let's stop the agility stuff for today before my knee gets angry. I think we'll finish today's session with some bench press. Woo. Gotta look after your shoulders. Face pulls. There's not really anything special left to show today. So before we go on to tomorrow's footage, let's have a look at the moves. These are the dance moves that we're learning for the wedding next week. Ooh, so soon. It goes like this. Okay, cut, restart. Again. Oh, almost. So I'm just going to finish up here and we'll see you in the next session. Yes, 2 p.m. on a Monday. Today's session is all about agility. Can't be bothered going to a field, so I'm going to be doing this session on the street. Going to make it a quick one and going to try our best to make sure my knee does all right in this session. Okay, almost finished my stretches and then we'll get right into it. So this session is brought to you by Coach Kyle. Shout out Coach Kyle on Instagram. Saw some of his drills that he posted up and now we're going to give it a crack. It's lucky right now it's partly cloudy, so we're not getting boiled under the sun at the moment. All right.
Everyone talks about improving speed. What about lateral speed? They're five of my favorite.
Just having another look.
Lateral movement drills to get you moving better.
Oh, copyright. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Just while we're looking at these, we can do these ones for a warm up. Lateral hop to hop. Just give it a crack. Might actually do this on the grass right here. Okay. Let's just put this here and then. Okay. All right. All right. Wow, we pretty weak on my right leg, but that's okay. That's why we work. familiar. I think the last video I filmed here was 2 years ago. Let's get a few more sets of this done. And then we'll move on with our day. We've got more church practice tonight, and then we'll go again tomorrow. Oh, almost hurt my ankle on that. Why not do some sprints today? Yeah. Oh, lucky it's recording. Okay. I'm gonna put the camera at the top of the hill, do a few reps like that, and then on the last rep we're gonna hold the camera. Truck came up the mountain or the hill while my camera was on the road. Ready? Last rep. My feet are burning. The sun's come out to play. Oh, calling it there for the session. I'll see you tomorrow.
Nice. Bra brother. 2 minuter. Ja. Everything's about quality. Maximize our output in this 12 minutes. Okay, it's quality. I don't care about quantity. You should be destroyed after the 12 minutes, and when you walk off destroyed, you know that, oh yeah, I did put in. Okay? 30 seconds, have your weights all ready to go.
Bear crawls.
Am I on
Would you like to say hi?
Am I on camera?
Hi to YouTube.
Hey, YouTubers!
This guy loves paying for breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Let's get it on. Let's go!
So that's the end of the Thursday night session, Thursday night class. Really, really good. That was such a good push. A good way to make up for the way that I've missed all the last few classes. Not only this week, but in the past 2.5 weeks actually. So just going for a light jog home and then get ready for bed. Woo! This might be the last video for the week. If that's the case, thanks for watching. See you in the next. Okay, look where we are. That's right. Okay guys, it's Monday now. It's time to do another death day because it's Monday. The 6-week challenge is now finished, so unfortunately didn't really make as much progress as I would have liked. You know, life, you know, just doesn't go to plan all the time. However, still got time to do a lot of fitness, and that's why we're here. That's That's why we're back at the club, because I need to hit the grass. Hit the grass running. Conditioning in my legs back where it's gotta be. So the plan is to do a bronco, and then after that we gotta do some more death day. I'm going to put this footage along with last week's footage. I only trained twice last week, so not a lot of footage, but this video, if there's one thing to take away from it, it's that this off-season training, we're not done. We are not. No, we are here to begin the next phase. All right, let's do this. Just gonna get a few shuttles in. I can feel my food. Oh. Whew. Wish me luck. Okay, this GoPro is on 20%. This Bronco should take under 6 minutes. I'm not sure if the GoPro will last. It is currently 2:22 p.m. The sun is bright. It is hot. So I'm just gonna get it over with. Death day. Just did a warm-up rep. We're on 15% for the GoPro. I'm just gonna leave it in my pocket while I go. I think that, let's hope that works. Finish. Terrible time. That's what I get. This GoPro is about to die. I won't be able to capture anything else that I'm doing in this hot sun. But thanks for watching. Death day. So here's the time. 5:41. Trash. Oh, hello. Switching to the iPhone. We're rolling. GoPro's dead, but I'm gonna set this up here. Better than nothing. And then basically doing 800 meters, slow pace with a medium rest in between each rep. Just need volume in my legs because these legs have not run in a long time. My fault. Anyway, about to do my third rep and we'll leave the camera running. That's 4 now. I can still see my time just sitting on my screen over there. 5:41. Going into my 5th rep, I'm gonna start holding the ball until we finish this exercise. The wind. For these last two, I'm gonna pick up the intensity, get my legs striding, impact the ground more. Ready? Exercise. Whoa! You thought I'd get you. Short session, that one. I'm gonna call it there. Rely on consistency. I'm not gonna push like I usually do since it's really hot today and I have no water. We're gonna try our best to be consistent, by doing something every day. Remember what I said earlier when I was over there, just over there. We've just begun the new phase. Are you ready? I am not ready, but I'll see you next time. Quick comment about these new boots. I bought them for the end of the 7th season because my old ones were dead, completely dead. So these new ones I got from Jinder Lee, marked down twice. How good. When I was doing my running just then, my feet were so hot. Something I got to get used to. Here's what it is. It would happen with any boots. Just Australia, mate. That's what you get.